In this video, we are going to install OpenJDK 11 and Maven, as well as two integrated development environments IDEs, Eclipse for creating Java projects, and Spring Tool Suite STS4 for creating Spring Boot microservices. Our Java and Spring Boot expert Nico asks that you follow him doing the same on your side and pause the video. You need to be reading his blog, which we will publish below for links to the programs you need to download. Now, let's hand it over to Nico. He's got a Dodecanese accent, but don't worry. He speaks the Queen's English flawlessly. Over to you, Nico.
In order to be able to create microservices using Spring Boot in Java, we are going to install the OpenJDK version 7. We are going to install the latest version of Maven. We are going to install Eclipse, and then we are going to install the Spring Tool Suite for Eclipse. So let's start with a Java installation. You will find links to my Java blog for all these instructions. So in order to do the Java installation, we need to go to Red Hat. And when you open this page, you need to look for the OpenJDK 11, the MSI, that's this one. So you will click this button. I've already downloaded it, but you will click it. If you have a Red Hat account, you will log in. If you don't have, it will allow you to create a Red Hat account, and that's free. So there's no obligations. Just click there to download it. And then once we've downloaded that file, in my case, it's sitting over here. I then launch that file. It is important when you launch this file that you open Notepad, as we need to save the path where this installation is going to take place. We need to create an environment variable that Maven's going to use. So we go next. In my case, it won't allow me to because I've already installed it. But in your case, you will follow the prompts. It will tell you what the path is, and then it will do the installation. So I'm going to exit now and finish. After that, we then need to do the next installation, and that is Maven. To install Maven, go to the Maven page, download the latest version of Maven. So if we go here to the Maven download page, I've provided you with a link. Now you want the zip. If you are installing Linux, you want the tar.gz. You can also use the zip for Linux as well. You click to download. I've already downloaded it. So here it is. So in folder. What I like to do is I like to create a folder inside my user. So users, Nico, and the folder I create is called Maven. And then inside this Maven folder, I copy the zip file and I run the extract here command. Having done that, I now need to just save this path also into my notepad. We're now halfway there. Now we need to create an environment variable. Type the whole word environment and variable. And now click here. You will find the environment variables button. Click that. And now we need to create a variable called Maven Home. So you would click the new button. You would call the variable Maven Home uppercase, Maven-home uppercase, and then you would paste this path there. I've already done that, so let me edit mine to show you. So there the variable name is Maven-home, all uppercase, and I've pasted my path there, and OK. Then you need to create a Java home variable, so it's also new, Java-home, all uppercase, and you paste the Java path. So there I've done that, Java home, and there's the path to your Java OpenJDK. And now that I've done that, I need to do one more thing. I need to edit the path, and I need to create you use the new button, and when you do that, it will come up with the option. I'm not going to do it, so, and then there, this is what you put in there. Percentage, Maven-home, percentage, backslash, and then lowercase bin. So what it's going to do is it's going to make the bin folder available in your Windows path. Now we say OK, and again OK, and again OK. I have a convenient command prompt here, but if you don't have it, you just type command. And then you click command prompt. The acid test is to type mvn and then dash version. And if your Maven is installed properly and your Java is installed properly, you will get this. So it's told me the version of my Maven is that, the version of my Java is that. I now am ready to do the next installation. I can close this. Let's go back here now, go back to the main blog. Now we want to install Eclipse. Open this link. It will bring you to this page here. You click download. I've already downloaded it on my side, so I don't need to download it. But you will download it. After you have downloaded it, it will now be over here. So in folder. So this is a straight installation. You double click to install. I've already installed it on my machine. So I'm going to stop this installer, but you would just follow the command prompts. What you want is the enterprise version. This is what you want to install. So you need to click on that and then install. I'm going to close this as I've already installed that. Now we want to install Spring Tool Suite. This is also an Eclipse, but it's not the same Eclipse that we've just installed. I believe it's an earlier version, but that's not serious. So you open up this link. We go here and we find this version here. We click on it to download. I've already downloaded it. If I go to my downloads folder, I will find it. Here it is. So in folder, you want to copy this jar file to another folder. It may be an idea to go to the same folder where I have created my Maven folder and create a folder called STS. So let's go here and say a new folder and name this STS. And now copy the jar there. Now that we've done that, we would need to take this path, copy it, and again we open the command prompt. Because I've opened it more than once, I don't need to search for it. I can just click here, and now we want to go to that folder, so CD and paste the folder path, and we're in. And if we type dir, we should see the jar file there. So the command is java-jar spring and hit the tab button and press enter. We've done that. Now let's see. We've now created a new folder and in there we have this. So if you right click and say send to desktop create shortcut. And if we look now at the desktop, here's our Spring Tool Suite. And we are now ready to create Spring Boot microservices. And with that, we are now ready to start developing.
Thank you for watching this video. You should have now installed all the software needed. If you had problems, please leave a comment below, and we will try to help you. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on future videos. Your support and engagement are greatly appreciated. For those interested in further supporting our content, we invite you to consider becoming a Patreon. Together, we can continue to explore and share the exciting world of microservices. Thank you all for being a part of this community, and we look forward to hearing about your Spring Boot microservice adventures. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and embrace the endless opportunities that await.